Hey guys, y'all ever have one of those days where you ain't got the mojo, you don't feel it? Today's one of those days, but we got to work. This house, they said they got water damage coming through the ceiling, so come with me and we'll go figure out what's going on. Y'all see that up there? Some of that's fresh and some of it's old.
There's no walk boards.
No, there's not, is there?
We've been here over 10 years. And unit hadn't given us much trouble, although we had that one replaced.
Looks like somebody left the old one up here.
They did.
That's not real nice. All right, we got water in the drain pan. Down here.
I thought maybe the drain pan was clogged and it was leaking over that, but I don't think that's the case.
Has it been cooling okay?
Yeah. It's just that water. I haven't figured out where it's coming from.
Well, there shouldn't be any water in this pan.
Well, that pan's not draining now.
There should not be any water in that pan. There's an internal pan that you can't see in here. And if it's clogged up, that becomes the emergency drain. So if there's water in there, there's a problem. I need to get to your drains outside.
It's on that side of the house.
Okay.
When I had my air pump, I used to blow that damn drain line out. You know, blow up in there, and then it'd flow out. But I don't have my damn blower anymore.
Might I recommend we cut that so it's not in danger of going underground. We had some wasps flirting around over here. Yeah, that thing's draining pretty good. I'm gonna put my vacuum on it one more time. All right, I'm up here in the attic. See if I have any CO2 left. Nope. think that got it. Wish I had a camera outside. All right. Come on, not all those went in the drain pan. Some of them got sucked out. And that's all the screws I have. Alright, on that one I am submitting an estimate to replace that emergency drain pan. On to the next. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked. If you did, how about like and subscribe? And I'll catch you on the next one.